continues to rotate. It will go through several different life cycles, but right now we do have a tornado just to the south of downtown Dallas that we have just seen live on the air that has touched down and down just to the south of downtown Dallas. The wall cloud continues to rotate. And this thunderstorm, Adam, let's move that radar around for me over to that Dallas County storm. We're going to keep with this live picture right now in downtown Dallas. And there again, you can see as it's moved just to the right of downtown Dallas, or just to the right of Reunion Tower, there's our tornado that is on the ground. Let's tilt that down just a little bit because the banner at the bottom of the screen is in the way. And there we have, you can see we're there, right there. There's our tornado on the ground just to the south of downtown Dallas. That is literally just to the southwest of downtown Dallas. That cannot be 10 minutes from the studio as you drive.